It's time. Fun. Yeah. Mike. George, Mike. Muhammad, Mike. Abdu ne? Ka bari ya wuce. Haka wala kowa ne zai blocking da shi.
An ba mu wuri mana don Allah.
As you are moving, I'm moving. As you are moving, I'm moving. Note that. Careful with it.
Hold on.
You are not set yet. I take a position. Dalla wake haka ne da Allah light. Za mu samu flare shi ne sai we take position all of us.
Suka ce ya zo gefe mai wannan waya wannan. Ku zo baya, ka zo baya da kameranka.
This is 12 midnight, and we are here to ensure that our roads are restricted for articulated vehicles. And like we've issued out notice 2 weeks ago that all Niger State on roads will be closed for articulated vehicles. We are here to ensure that that promise is kept. So whoever that is caught up, that is his luck. We don't intend to inflict hardship on anybody, but this is a decision that as a government we must take in order to save what is left of our roads and of course to ensure the comfort of Nigerians. We are indulging the understanding of Nigerians, particularly to show some understanding. We know this will come with a heavy price, a lot of discomfort and inconveniences, but it is meant for our own collective good. And we are craving their indulgence to show some understanding and support this decision by the government in order to have a good motorable road for Nigerians.